All right, so you're going to become an expert in one of the essential skills. There's 4. You'll need to become an expert in one of them. You're going to teach that skill to another student, your partner. And then at the end, you'll quiz your students on that skill. The answer keys will be up here. If your student gets it right, give them good feedback. If they get it wrong, you're going to want to have a coaching conversation with them. What did they do wrong? How can they avoid that error next time? At the end of this whole process, you will have the opportunity to take a 4-question quiz, 1 question for each essential skill. If you pass the quiz, you get extra credit for the test. The extra credit's all or nothing. So you get all 4 right and you get 4 points. Or if you miss 1, even when you get 0 points. Okay? So we'll save the last 15 minutes of class for you to take this quiz. The other nice thing about the quiz is I will give you instant feedback. I'll grade this before you leave today, so you will know what skills you need to practice or study, and what skills you are solid on and don't need to worry about. Okay? The 4 skills we will be working on today. Skill number 1, is it linear or exponential? Skill number 2, graphing, which is what we just did. Skill number 3, writing equations for exponential functions from tables, graphs, or situations. And skill number 4 is exponent properties. What's x squared times x to the 3rd? That kind of question. Everything is color-coded. So skill 1 is in ivory. This is ivory. Skill 2 is in yellow. That's yellow. Skill 3 is orange. Skill 4 is green. Now, the most important part of this is you need to work with your partner, and you need to make sure you're supporting each other so you get the most out of this activity. This is how we're going to get ready for the test. So coaching, being a good coach for your partner, is a really important skill here. What we're going to do now is have 2 students come up. They're going to do a quick role play for us of what a good coach is and what a bad coach is. So if those 2 students can come up. The rest of you need to sort of gather around here. I want you up close so you can see what they're talking about. I want you to listen because I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay, go for it.
Estúpido, no! Figure it out yourself.
Okay, let's pause there. Why is Killer being a cat? No shot. Raise your hand. What? Let's be specific. It was funny. She did a good job at that. But what are some specific things she did that were bad? Yeah, that's wrong. She called them stupid, yeah. And I know none of you would ever say that to each other. It's good to
Sorry, Alan.
Then she also like she will figure it out yourself, so that's like
Right, yeah, she kind of left him hanging there. What else? What else? Maybe not what she said, but what you saw her do. Go ahead. She turned around. She turned her back, so she wasn't even looking at it. One more thing. What's one more thing that she didn't use that she should have used? The coaching phrase bank. Yeah, she didn't even look at it. That's very good.
You don't push it off the table.
You did a good job. All right, one more time. Let's try again.
Are you sure about that? So when you think of exponential, exponential is what? Exactly. And since that's addition, Chad!
Okay, so again, what was good about that interaction? She was a good coach that time. What did she say or do? Yeah, that was so nice. She didn't tell him the answer. She asked him a question to check, did you understand what he was doing? So good. I don't want you to give each other the answers. I want you to understand what you're doing. What else did you see or hear that was good about that interaction? Ashna? She was talking nicely. Yeah, she gave him good feedback. She praised him. Good job. I agree. What else? Yeah, she clapped, which is positive. You felt more comfortable. Yeah, right. You're more willing to learn and try if you feel good about what's going on. And what's one last thing she used to come really
Definitely.
that coaching phrase bank. She was looking at the coaching phrase bank to give her some ideas how to do it. Okay, so I'm going to put up the partner list. You're going to get together with your partner, come up for the first cycle, and we'll get started. Okay, with your partner, then come up here on the first one.
What are you on? Smash?
Okay. So exponential functions are going to be the ones that have exponent.
linear functions are the ones that are just like
Yeah, right. If you need scratch paper, there's a whole bunch right here. Take what you need. I'm trying to find the answer. You guys okay? Check here. Did you check? Yeah. Any other questions? I'll give you the next 6 or 4 seconds.
Wait, do you check?
Oh.